Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use new drawing tool in iOS 27. Let's have a look. Before start, make sure you are using iPhone iOS 27 or later. First, open Messages app and go inside an iMessage. Tap plus sign on bottom left and scroll up. Then tap Drawing. Now select pencil and color and draw with your finger. Finally, tap blue tick sign on top right and tap send. That's it. These are the steps to use drawing tool in iOS 27 Messages app.